So, in addition to Facebook, Pinterest is also a wonderful place to share your affiliate links. Now, before we create our first pin using our affiliate link, we need to decide if we're going to share and promote an individual product or a specific page on the Dreaming Tree website. So, in the first example, we're going to share an entire page, and that page being the free SVG files page. So on our website here, up at the top, there's a link to the free SVG files section. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And up at the top of your web browser, and this is going to look a little bit different depending on if you're on a Mac or PC, if you're running Safari, Chrome, Firefox, but the address typically is always located up at the top. So I'm going to click into the address bar, and I'm going to right click and copy this address. You want to make sure that you have the whole thing highlighted. We're going to right click and copy it. Now we want to head over to under My Account. So you want to make sure you're logged in. You're going to go over to your affiliate area, and in the affiliate tools section here, we're going to right click and paste that link into the page URL field here up at the top, the first field. We can then click Generate. And what that's going to do is it's going to take and add our affiliate information to the end of that link. So we'll want to highlight this entire new affiliate URL and copy this. Okay, now we can head over to our Pinterest. And in Pinterest, hit the little plus sign to add a pin. We're going to create a pin. And since we have an address, we can click Save from Site here at the bottom. And then we can right click and paste that new affiliate URL into that field and click the little arrow. Now by adding the actual link into the pin, it's going to bring up some images that we can choose from. So I'm just going to scroll through here and find one that I like. And let's go with this one here. And add to pin. And we'll give this a title. Now, it's always nice to be transparent and indicate that this is an affiliate link by adding something like #ad into the subject. And of course, a little description doesn't hurt. Download over 100 plus free SVG files for your Cricut, Silhouette, Scan and Cut, or any SVG compatible cutting machine. And of course, you want to select which board you're going to add this to. In my case, it's going to be the SVG files board. Yours can be something different, and we'll hit save. All right, now let's take a look at it on Pinterest. There it is, and you'll notice that if we click here, it takes us to the free SVG files section. You can look at the address up here, and it has our affiliate information at the end. So in essence, what's going to happen is if someone clicks on this on Pinterest, and if they purchase anything at all during this visit, you will receive a 20% commission on that purchase. Okay, so let me show you one more example, and this time we're going to link directly to a specific product. So let's head over to the shop, click on What's New, and I'm going to do the winter card. So just like we did last time on the free SVG files page, we're going to go up to the address bar, and we're going to copy the entire address. Okay, so I just made sure it was all highlighted. Right click, copy, and back into the affiliate area. And again, you want to make sure that you're logged in, and you'll find the affiliate area under My Account. There's a little link here. Okay, now we're going to take that URL for the winter card that we just copied, and we're going to paste it into the page URL field. Now we can click Generate. Okay, and as you can see, it's essentially the same thing, except you've got your affiliate information added to the end. So you want to make sure that you copy this entire URL. So I'm selecting it all and right-clicking, hitting copy. Okay, now one other thing too, if you'd like, instead of letting Pinterest choose a photo for you, you can actually upload your own. Let's go back to the winter card here, and let's zoom in so we can see the image full size. And I'm going to take it and right-click on the image and click Save Image As. This may be a little bit different, again, depending on if you're on Mac or PC, whether you're using Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever it may be. The idea here is that you're saving the image by right-clicking on it. Now, when I go to save it, it comes up and asks me where to save it to. I'm just going to put it somewhere familiar, in this case, the desktop, and hit save. Okay, so let's check our work here. You can see on my desktop, I have my winter picture. So I'm going to head over to Pinterest, and I'm going to go back to my account here, hit the plus sign. I'm going to create a pin. Now I'm going to show you both ways of doing it, but I'm only going to save it once. Okay, so again, if you want to let Pinterest choose the photo for you, you can click Save from Site, and then we're going to right-click and paste the URL for the winter card with our affiliate information already added to it. And then we can click this little arrow here, and it's going to come up and allow you to select the photo. So we'll click that one and hit Add to Pin, and there it is. Now, if you don't want to do that, if you want to upload your own, I'm going to delete that. You're going to click on this little arrow here, or you can drag and drop it, but I'm going to click the arrow. And now remember, I saved my photo to the desktop. So I'm going to scroll down, and there it is right there. So I'm going to select it and hit Choose. Okay, and there it is. Now, because we're adding our own photo, we need to add the destination link here. So I'm going to right-click and paste the URL into this section. Okay, and you can see this is the full URL, and it's got my affiliate information added to the end. We'll give it a title, Winter Card SVG, and of course, to be transparent, adding the indication that this is an ad, and we'll call this a beautiful winter card for your Cricut silhouette, scan and cut, and more. And we can select a board. We'll save it to the SVG files. And there it is. Let's take a look at it. There it is. And you'll notice if you click, it takes you directly to the winter card. And if you observe here in the address bar, you'll notice that our affiliate information was added. So anything that is purchased after someone clicks on this specific link will be credited to your account. Well, 20% of it will be.